Caseish is a tool that allows you to create forms, and then you are able to monitor these in Caseish. So in this instance, we are creating a new form in our organization, Caseish, for our Scrum planning. We give it a text, and the identifier of this is of course task ID. We have what is the steps we want this to proceed in, and we have some we add some parameters. First off, we add a sprint value, the number of difficulty in the Scrum. Then we add a business value, and then we add a task identifier, a task name. And we save this form. We are now in Wave, and then in Wave we can add a new form that we want to monitor with Caseish, and then it adds the Caseish gadget, and we can select the sprint planning, and we can say this is sprint 10. It starts as a backlog item. The task name is the logo, the business value is 10, the 20. We can add some more to this wave. Mastering wave, for instance. And this user can then see this wave in his planning, and he can see it's 10. Well, the logo isn't that much worth, but it might be a bit difficult to implement. And of course, you can also write there make, and they of course have the whole opportunity in cases to add a lot of extra fields, or use a wave to add more specific information on how you think this logo should look. And you can of course put in images, whatever you need as a regular wave. And in this guy I can then see, okay, we have changed the value, but okay, let's change it to 25, and then let's add it to the sprint. So now we have changed some different values for this, and then we can go into Caseish and see how everything works out in there. In Caseish we can see we have the Scrum planning here and it's really easy to just go to the dashboard, and we can see we have some different instances here. We have the sprint that we place this item 10 in, and we can see the name of it, the current values of it, and we can see the log on how this has changed, and we can see who have changed it from which values to which values. And we can also see what are the events that have occurred, how does they connect between each other, so we can see which are these steps that takes the most time to be in. So this was the short introduction to how Caseish works and how you can use it in your organization.